There's numbers in stand all on through the ball. Waiting Sands hold the shot back or the two pulling the power at the scoop up and they got the dance. High the power. That's where he's going down. Then on the ramp for the second throw. What up for there? We're going up high. You look to get it up for CG for this ball through the ball. I look at the chicken out to you, lost down. 3 4 6 8 14 Sands hold the shot back. I'll pull it up. For CJ, he counted long back, Sands on the shot back. It's not even a bumper. 3 on the shot back. Fire! Oh, yeah, put it up and they got it all. 4 seconds, more issue. Nasa ba na? Oh, we've got the ball game. 3 minutes after 7 time running. 32 bowling pa rin ang halawa na halamin ang for sa PLC. Sugat na sugat for 13 seconds. Hold the shot back. Tatlong minuto at 45 nalalabing oras for the fourth quarter. Kaya Sands hold the shot back. Puller, crossover, ball pay. Ball pay, this sa bayan na pinalun. And may for CJ Ferguson may takas ng bola. Nakawala sa depensa. Ikaw, halos na shot na natin. Back for Yubal. 14 seconds for the shot back. 10 seconds for the shot back. 8 seconds for the shot back. CJ naman. The ball, 5 seconds on the shot clock. Short jumper, or the put back and Esteban. Put back to the power. And on the shot clock, talking around forward. Sabila, napitawan ang bola, ibulas. For the 3 games, balik bola. Last up the 3 games for the top of the game. 2 minutes and 25 time reading the minuto at 50 segundo na lalabing oras natin for the fourth quarter. Then you have for CJ for this one kick out. Out to you, lost that whole page. Up and in up here at a hard time. For jersey number 16. Out to you, lost that or EKA Puto na ng kapalakan. 2 minutes and 25 time reading 18 on the shot clock. Then block. November 6 on the block. Out in Balaan. High to ski is for Archie. Bringing the ball down on the shot clock. So there's that. So let the ball in. 5 on the shot clock. They need the power of the river. 3 on the shot clock. 5 to make the win. Get it on the law. Into the gap for his word. Gets the Basara. The point progress. CJ off the ball. It's a good quarter. On the change speed for the final balik sa kalabakan. Forecast how they get it on. Oh, it's out of green. Lost. 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes brought to a point. High school football. 14 seconds. Hold the shot back. 10 seconds. Hold the shot back. Let's go. Weapon count. We need jersey number. Penalty na tayo dyan. Penalty na ba? Ball jersey number 6. Penalty. Stop. Balik sa 6. Makusal ka ba? First shot. Shoot. That's 3 for the second shot. 7-8-7. Kasi sabay na blakayan na that's the walong na blaka ang ating score. First very ball that net. Isang minuto at 45 segundo na labing oras for the fourth quarter. 15 seconds, hold the shot back. Carlos CJ for his one bringing the ball. Looking for 10 seconds on the shot back. Focus on inform sa mga low o mga gusto ng taas na gana for last in the final quarter. RJ bringing the ball is to track na yan. RJ pinasayaw. Bitawan na naman on the shot back. Keep down. Flying for right shot. Take a look at for jersey number 16. Patay look up po. Babasa isa. Kailangan din pa rin ang taas na gana. And 1-2 rating. 1 point lead. Jersey number 28, now Sally! Let's watch it! 10 on the shot back. Keep the number down for the last seconds. 53 seconds, 5 on the shot back. 3 seconds on the shot back. Okay! There goes the for L. Wala na for Was that 2 seconds for the 38 seconds. Again, wala 35 seconds. And on the shot clock, Marquis was a problem in first debate. 5 seconds on the shot clock. 6 seconds on the shot clock. Marquis, good shot. Good shot. Pwede mangyari for the 7 seconds. Ay, mga kanan! Little top on lang. There's a window. Calgary's numbers by 7. Abitra and penalty.
Sabalan naman ko.
Coach. Pasok ka na, coach. For the second right. Okay, sige, coach.